Today, guys, I went out with my wife. Then decided to go out with my wife. Guys, you know what? Hale berekan lire chelete banna we buntat babuti berekan lire chelete litse basadi balona di out le twella nna ntse le bora ka monthu wa itse ho nna monthu o shebang le mosadi each and every from day 1 on the 1st of January until the 31st of December. It's suffocating. Why is it so utswe? When halena pleke one le end up le tabana la betana la because of ahuna too exciting ka muntu. Babo. Tshwentse le tsonyana hanyane utse familia. Hayi msadi ka rasa e akana isime. Batho ba go le mara ba nkutlwe mose akere ba nna ke ba tswana batho ba nkutlwe ba batho ba skua ba ke ba rasa ba mbe ya ke ba rasa ba re ke rasa batho ba mose ba re nna ke rasa batho ba le ko ba
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arrived to number 18, Little India. Stop number 18, Little India.
Go bereka ko hae not through where miracle. Guys, do you know how much sacrifice that you are taking on a daily basis about your life? The sacrifices that you as a husband, the sacrifices that you as a wife, you do for your family. Every day you wake up, you go to work, you leave your wife sleeping. Some men, they wake up at 3 o'clock a.m. Imagine they are going to start waking at 8, but because of distance.
I am blessed. I go it's okay.
Yeah, I get it. Sometimes ule monna wa ema o ipotso nyoko ema hore
ke so blessed serious o aga
o bereka high
nka mo ga le banda fela ke a utse go mpeto so I am so blessed le sampona ke nonne so
but you know baby tla go botse he
le sampona ke nonne so ke ja thata guys
but tla go botse be o tlabea monna ka montlong a sa tsi loja e loja eng ka montlong if loro o bea monna ka montlong a ska tswa loja eng ka montlong bana bo ja eng
I get na re bana ba modimo so we are so blessed holy blessed you guys holy blessed o phila mahala o itse rona re phila mahala
phila ka Jesu
yeah so we can afford to re itse ke re nne ka mo betong ke mo fakela bana ke re out namo itse ke na go betong a o ibe and akona taba tsheka tsena still rinse ka mfoko go betong
ka montlo so guys, it's important, you know. Why is it overeka every day? We are a lot of sacrifices. Wena ole monna, wena ole me. Also every day we share family how come on through. We are miracle. Ki sacrifice engwe is serious. Ba malona la bereka marlepa loku utse 2000 rand o tsamaya o ye go restaurant o nna le family how le bana ba hao le je. You know? Uswense we put over it sometimes we tutor for it. Why is it out to man? Scan up like a one every day, the Shebani Matlong every day, but two. Musadi, oh, why is it end up a bore Haramarabato? Why is it my life? No, I can't. I'll bore, but you see sometimes. I can't, baby.
Why is it going to go live?
Hey, I can't. Develop. So, take your family out sometimes, later out. You understand? This thing you're leaning to the Shebani, like your one, the Zofu, Lina Murumu, the one, the same environment. Same environment. Amuna movement, sometimes even you don't have to be like others, like us, where we go overseas. No, you can do something from home. Why is it Rona Henry similar travel and a similar guy? We started to traveling from locally. You know, not 2000 and that book out and weekend Yana out for just 2 nights in Yana, weekend out. Yeah, but you start from there. You learn, your life becomes more better and better. What balance, what? This thing you're not so worried. I can actually, you cry. I can actually, charity will never come. You understand? Charity will never come again.
Yeah, we live with what we have.
Yeah. So how?
Maybe a rich.
No, we live with what we have.
Just live with what we have.
How is very 5,000 rand?
The other thing is, what will happen?
What are you going to do?
Central Station. Central is Kuala integrated transportation version. It provides modern and comfortable facility the integrated destination of service systems. There are many trains moving from to all corners of the city. It even connects to cities outside Kuala Lumpur, also to KLIA, Singapore and Thailand.
Do you know, guys, you can go into the car today. Why can I go somewhere?
Monorail lines in Kuala Lumpur, as well as the ERL Express KLIA airport together with
Eat your money.
Because how
eat your money. Eat your money. Eat your money. Eat your money. Eat your
someone else
Eat your money. Eat your money. Eat your money. Look. How can now pila urwe na ori no kiawara or kausa ne ko pila bia koja e what
would you morally plan
let tomorrow let one devine sabar na ka ra sabatu right I face your video na answer right abanya ke na seba ko yeah, so so guys, what's again? You know, sometimes, if it means for when skip 3 months at the school to town, like I did. No, before I similar business small business kirana. Kilega skipper the creditor installment about 3 months daily. You understand? Kaya putan chowana hore. You know what? Mona agna taba ki be achete aga kinya ko dispoila. Kaya itu most auga skipper installment modi kolton sa house do na insurance. Nage patala na installment say 3 nage patela. E1 nage patala 1.4. E1 nage patala 1.8 and A1 nage patala 1.3. You understand? So kilega say ba check ga fela worry for those 3 months kilega ka kono ira something like 12,000 rand. You understand? 12 and nage travel and kilega travel like similar to travel from mo South Africa. Oba no reko kai mo reko Kuala Lumpur ne ba no. Mona reko Kuala Lumpur. You understand? It's already out to limsada kakishile bana ko high ko barking shile bana ko hoteling. So kin na limsada ka mori to remote size simbas. Basate lologare idi chilanyana but kitaring. Anyway, barrier is one of those things. So sometimes you know kaitore after skipping those 3 months say auna company to clear it to claim but the reprocessor. Obon. Guys, on our next video. e ntse nako e ya